2, 3, go. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Gavin and Stella's Philippine Life. So today I will give you update on my sister house build. So it's raining here because we have tropical depression today. So that is my niece. So outside view first. So they are arranging all the sand, putting on a bag of cement. So let's do this. Pwede na magsulod digde? So I don't have mic guys, so maybe my voice is not clear. I'm so sorry for those. So wow. So it's been, I think, how many weeks I didn't give some updates. So they have already tiles. They already installed some tiles here. So that's the living room. That's the living room, and that is the kitchen. Also the ceiling is all done with already lights. So, and also guys, they already moved in the things here because my sister also is renting in Sorsogon where I rent before. So she said since her husband also is just coming to visit here only, not staying, so why she will keep that renting place, you know, paying monthly, since she's not staying there. Only their things is the one staying, because she have a sari-sari store here in my dad's house, so that's why. So I think her rent is end January 8th, so that's why all her things is already here in her house. So also the fridge, and I don't know, it's already blocked off. That is another room, and this is the bathroom here, still not done. So this is the kitchen. They already poured the cement, but still nothing, anything. Also it's already blocked off also if you want to go to dirty kitchen and laundry area. So that's it. All the ceilings is done, not quietly done, but almost. So I think guys, I cannot come here in this area. They already black, so maybe I will use the other stairs outside. So here also they're making ceiling here. Like that. So I will go outside again. I will use the other stairs because I cannot come here on this stairs. Hello, Tata Buboy. Okay, makato si Ate Buwasa.
Oh.
Maski mauran? Ang sabihan ko siya, basta this week. Kung ano siya, okay? So, that is my worker before, Tata Buboy. And her wife is the one now cleaning our house every week. So, sige na to ang pauran. So, okay.
Ano wala pag uuwi ang kamaho?
Kuya Jerry is there. Let's see if we can hear. Oh, this is the other stairs. So, it's been raining guys. Oh my god, it's been raining here in Sorsogon.
Raining in Manila.
And I think have also a tropical depression. So, that's why. I cannot enter. Hello po. So they're already rendering all the walls and the second floor. Hello po. So that is Kuya. So I don't know what is this one. Don't touch siya. They're already rendering guys. I will show you. Yeah. I think my last video is still nothing rendering on this area. So now they are rendering it.
Ay.
Hello po, Foreman. Hello po. Hello. And they already put some for the stairs. It's ready to pour. So I cannot go to the third floor. And nice. I think this is the master bedroom. So yeah, this is the master bedroom. Another bedroom. bathroom, another bedroom. So you can see here, guys. This is the outside here. So they have also some terrace here if you want to like overlooking, if you want to look outside. So that is the back, and that is the area where's the swimming pool. So it's very wet. It's been raining. So this is another room and have also some door there. So that is the stairs going to the 3rd floor. So I cannot show you still, guys, the 3rd floor because still nothing, you know, to go. The stairs is not yet ready. So nice. So rendering. Kuya Jomar is there. And oh, this is the, I think, another room with bathroom and maybe shower and walk-in closet. And this is big room also, guys. So with overlooking. So that one. So this is in the other side. And this one, guys, the front. So they have still terrace for overlooking that you can, you know. So I would try to go there. Yeah, like that. So that is the front area. Okay. Sorry. It's my niece. It's okay na. Yeah, we cannot go up. So, okay guys, that's it. I think I need to go because I'm disturbing them. Sorry po. So, we're going back. So, this is the another stairs. You know, because we have stairs on inside on the kitchen. So, cannot be. So, we're going down na, guys. So still coming okay, but it's still not done. There's a lot of things to be done also.
No, mabait naman ko.
So Kuya JR is there.
Mabait naman.
So this is the garage area.
Ay, hindi na add to dito.
Sinikra mo, kawan ha.
So I don't know, guys, if I can zoom in the 3rd floor. That's the 3rd floor there. Maybe on the next video I can show you when the stairs is ready. So okay guys, thank you again for watching always my videos, and I'm so sorry we don't have any updates for our house, so maybe sooner or later. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, and God bless you all.